Hello guys! Nandito na kami sa mall. Siya ay magpapakilay na siya. Oy, pakilay na lang. Papaganda muna daw siya. Yan. Dahil may bibisita. Yeah. Bibisita ang mga tita. Ano?
Ang sakay.
Wala pa nagbago. Namula lang. Tao po. Tao po. Tao po. Hello.
How's it going?
Good.
Good?
Oops. Hello. Hello. Today and Stephen.
So blessed.
Your vlog. How many viewers do you have? 5,000, 10,000, 200,000.
1,000.
That's good. That's good.
Are you getting money now?
Oh, I hope.
Every time she gets like 20 likes on a picture, I'm like, how much money? I heard it's your favorite.
No, I wish.
Hi guys. We're walking now.
Let me show you how I walk. Okay, so usually I'll do right, left, but sometimes I'll do left, right. I find when I go left, right, I actually get a little bit more like movement. So it's just a better way to walk. You usually don't try to step on cracks. Because cracks are bad luck. So like I might walk and step like that. It's like what I'm trying to show you, it's not as natural, but like this. Let me just show you. And I might like jump so that when you get it. And this one's weird because there's like a line on it.
They're walking. Left. Yay.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. Hey guys.
Hey
Today I'm
guys.
gonna show you how I watch my movies. So I like to get really comfortable. And I have a bag of chips right here. Shout out Lane. If you know, you know. And then if I'm feeling cheap, I kick my feet up. It's my work laptop. And then I just watch. Today's sponsor is cushions. They keep things soft.
Gusto nyo ng home tour? Hindi. Airbnb tour. Ayan. Stephen! Ito. Si Kunang. Kunang. So ito guys yung kwarto namin. Yan. Tapos paglabas mo ng kwarto, yan, salas na. Nanonood sila ng Netflix. Sasalahan tayo. Meron tayong kusina. Ito yung kusina nila. Yan. Tapos, CR. Ito, CR nila. Yan. Tapos yan, yung pintong yan. Kailangan na yan. Kita yan. Ha! Yan lang. So, ito yung titigilan namin yan. Ng ilang araw. Haha. Saan sila? Tren! Good morning, guys! Hello! Lumabas kami ngayon para magkape. Gagala tayo mamaya.
Rainy day, don't think I won't go outside to play another day because either way I'm entertained by the smells, the sights and the passes.
To the coffee shop. Yeah. Yeah.
So what is your itinerary today?
Right now, I think we're gonna maybe go Stanley Park to the seawall. Yeah.
Did you rent a car?
No car.
How can you go there? Just by the bus or by Uber?
We're just gonna hitchhike. No, I'd probably take the train. I think the train is like, it's pretty easy.
Okay. Alright. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy your work and vacation.
Yes, thank you.
Take care of your folks out.
Yes. Alright, thank you.
Okay, alright.
Okay, bye. Bye. Hindi nag-bye.
Pa. Apa? Apa?
Pacheck up ka. Sasabi nun eh. Ayos ba? Hello guys! Nasa labas na kami eh. Punta kaming Stanley Park. Kami ay magbabike. O kaya magja-jogging o maglalakad. Depende sa trip. Bye! Let's go! So guys, may nakita na kami. Pasok tayo. Ito. Daming bike oh. Nakabike na tayo guys. Bike. Oh, sila naglalakad pa. Oh. So ngayon guys, nandito na tayo sa Stanley Park. Yan, nagbabike na tayo. Dito tayo guys sa bike lane. Yan. Sa kaliwa. Sa kanan ay yung mga naglalakad. Yan, dito tayo sa bike. Oh, hello. Traffic. Overtake tayo, overtake. Stop over muna.
Para then ano.
Same place?
No. This is from the Philippines.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, is this you?
Mukhang ano yan oh.
You're so that's skinny.
Okay.
Okay na nga.
Wait.
Take a picture.
Oh. Using your camera.
Oh, okay. Let's do it.
Layo na nila guys. Habulin natin. Nabutan natin sila. Overtake. Overtake. Layo pala guys. Kala ko maikli lang. Mahaba din. Kaya kailangan pala mag-bike. Pero okay oh, gusto nyo mag-jogging, okay din dito. Mahaba-haba nga lang. Oo, walang kilometers to. So wakas guys, nakalabas na tayo. Woo! Nakalabas din sa wakas. Nasa highway na tayo. Saulin na natin yung bike. Pabalik natin yung bike. Naibalik na namin guys yung bike. Naghahanap sila ng next destination. Saan kaya sunod?
Gusto mo ako.
Nandito tayo guys sa Crystal Mall. Napagod. Kakain muna tayo.
Let's eat.
na kami guys. Kain na tayo. Haha. Tapos na kami kumain guys. Hindi namin naubos. Wow na sila. Bili muna kaming inumin. Yan, bili silang tea. Tea.
I know, I was smiling too. Then what is
Next morning.
Good morning! Another day, another life. So umaga ngayon ulit guys. Punta ulit kaming kapehan. Mag-kape muna tayo. Na-order na kami guys. Americano, tsaka cookie with no name. Ano yan?
Vanilla latte and the chorizo wrap.
How about you, Steven? What do you have?
This is a cheddar scone and old-fashioned donut.
Coffee.
Oh, this is what coffee do you get? Vanilla latte.
In a breakfast burger. Or sandwich.
But over here, like, there's no way. Gaga. Everything else in there is vegan except for flavor is there, but the texture is off.
Yeah.
It's not.
So I just asked just now, is this vegan? And the girl's like,
No.
I was like, I knew it. It's like,
The whole time I was like, hey man, it's like the best thing I've ever had in my life. Oh, sorry. Did you see that? Oh, I'm so sorry.
Hello guys, mag-hi kami. Hi! Eh, di pala. Ano gagawin natin? Magka-climb. Mag-ano kami, mag-wall climbing. Tapos na kumain, magkape. Tapos na kami mag-wall climbing guys. Lalakad na kami. Lakad kami papunta sa ewan ko saan kami pupunta.
Magdar kami guys ng milk tea.
Milk tea. Milk tea. Subay na kami guys. Matapos namin mag-wall climb, kumain, tapos umuwi na. Haha. Yan, sila. Oh. Naghahanap na uli ng pupuntahan bukas. Para gumala.
yung parang ano, tea. And then, tea, paa. Tapos may mga maliliit na pagkain. And then after that, we'll go to an escape room. And then after that, we'll get dinner. And then we go home.
Hoy, anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Na?
Anong ginagawa mo?
Nunod. May pupunta daw tayo bukas. Pupunta tayong Neverland. Tinitingnan ko kung anong meron. Yeah. Tinkerbell, Tinkerbell. Dito na kami guys. Dito kami sa Neverland. Peter Pan. Neverland Tea Salon. Sinundo kami ng dade. Tanen. Sama namin ng dade. Pasok na kami. Lalagay na tayo ng ano, Tinkerbell Kiss. Tinkerbell Kiss. Uy, Tinkerbell Kiss. Nandito na guys ang order natin. Haha, kain na tayo.
Lovely. Use yours for demonstration. Hope everyone gets a sticker stone.
So guys, tapos na kami kumain. Lalakad-lakad kami. Ang patunaw. Mamaya tayo ay mag-escape room. Haha. Talo kami guys. Hindi namin nahulaan yung huli. So guys, nauwi na kami. Katapos namin mag escape room. Umuwi muna kami. Oh. Hey, nagiinom. Nagiinom muna. Tapos kakain mamaya. Oo nga. Hahatid natin sila guys. Wala na tayong airport. Nandito na kami sa airport. Hatid na natin sila. Baba na. Thank you. Take care. Alright. Bye. Nag-swipe po ulit.
Alright, bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you. Take care.